Hi, this is Muhammad Ramadan from Ninja Sec team. In this video, we will talk about how we can perform mail server enumeration, uh, interacting with mail servers during a penetration test. Generally, a penetration tester may interact with a customer's mail servers in three different ways. Attempting to identify valid usernames and email addresses through brute force enumeration. You can use word lists. See, sending spear phishing emails to the customer organization through the mail servers is less often interacting with client-facing aspects of the server, OWA or POP3 or IMAP, etc., through either direct login after harvesting credentials or possibly attempting to brute force passwords. Like many aspects conducting time-limited pen tests, while there are potentially many activities that could be used to assess a customer's mail service, the tester will need to pare down activities to what is manageable. One effective technique may be to discover email addresses through open source research, then verify them against the mail server and enumerate further users. Okay? Enumerating email address through the mail server. There are three primary SMTP methods are used to enumerate users on a server. There is a method called EXPN command used to expand information for a given email address, often used to expand mailing lists. Probably the least reliable method as it is not supported in Microsoft Exchange. Also, there another command called VRFY used to verify that a mailbox is available for delivery, as the potential of abuse is obvious. This command is often turned off by default. Okay. Another command called RCPT2 command identifies a message recipient. A much more reliable method to use to enumerate users, as it is difficult to disable this functionality. It is the basis for identifying the recipient of a message. Online, manual, and automated tools can all be used to enumerate users. Let's take a look at a command line enumeration of users. Mail servers can be enumerated on the command line using telnet or netcat. For large-scale enumeration, this would not be very effective. Let's try to enumerate this netcat. You can see 6, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, and SMTP server port, and go to extract, enter. Take some time. Try again. Can try verbs mode -nvvv. It is open, as you can see here. Okay. We can also use online enumeration of users using centralops.net. Individual email accounts can be enumerated online, providing a measure of stealth. However, this would again not be very effective on large scale. Let's try this and this. Choose this and this. Let's go. As you can see here, that SMTP server is open, but we can't see any response here. Only we see it's open. Here we have host name, We can also use automated tools found in Backtrack. There is a build script included in Backtrack suite called smtp-user-enum.pl. Let's find this one. /bentest/enumeration cd smtp ls cd smtp user enum ls per script. We can here use this. Okay, let's type -m method vrfy and target this. We can try user -u admin, sorry, -u. You can make a word list of other users name and try, but we have zero result. Let's try another method called expn. Also nothing. And rcbt method. And the final method we will try expn method. You can in real world pen test you can try this tool with users.txt word list and try to find all users in mail server and enumerate them. There is also an nmap nse script called smtp enum users.nse.